It's Amanda back again talking about the bend like bamboo method, where a happy mind is connected to a happy body whilst nourishing it with happy food. So today we're going to talk about a happy body. And a happy body is where we really focus on how movement and stretches and exercises can really promote the right environment for your mind and body to truly transform. So where we can let go of stress, negative patterns, the focus is on rebuilding from any setback that you might be going through, with the goal to give your body the right environment to reset and perform. So on this week's blog, lots of juicy stuff talking all about that. And when we're focused on a happy body, with a daily movement protocol of stretching and exercising, you will not only build strength and endurance, fitness, longevity, you'll aid detoxification and your digestive processes. But did you know that while moving, you can simultaneously be working on your mindset and a happy mind? So on my ebook, Reclaim Your Body, we have created stretches and exercises that are all categorized into different mindsets that you might want to promote. For example, you might be feeling right now this month that you really want to be supporting yourself a little bit more, or you might want to feel more supported in general. And your hips are all about support. So simply by increasing some squats and some other stretches and exercises that are focused on the hips, you are simultaneously working on that mindset. So please enjoy all the juicy stuff on this week's blogs. And the quick 5 tips, of course, is move daily to build strength and flexibility in your body and to aid those detoxification processes, as we discussed before. And your mind is connected to your body. So when you stretch, you're going to promote a positive mindset, whilst also letting go of anything old that's not serving you anymore. You really want to have a balance of restorative exercise with strength and endurance. It's a really good way to promote that safe state rather than that alarm state that so many of us are in. And physical symptoms are a sign that you're not necessarily listening to something. So take a moment each morning and evening while you're meditating to just check in and go, how am I feeling? What am I suppressing? How do I really feel? Emotionally and physically, and really leverage that mind-body connection to process any difficult emotions or just life, So you can really do that with your movement protocol. I hope you guys have a really wonderful week. Thanks for listening. Look forward to next week's blog.